Today we're going to create our very own Call of Duty console design, starting with the title, creating the characters and putting them all together into one insane edit. Let's get started. These are the steps I took to create this insane edit, and let's start with the first one. Unlike the movie poster design, game posters are a little bit different. Call of Duty, they usually have the main character up front and the title card right in the middle, but it seems the little is simple. Let's kick it up a notch. But we need a name to base the entire edit on. The old Call of Duty poster usually use themes from actual wars that happened throughout history, so let's see if we can do that. Checked on Google and found the one I like, the war against the Soviets. So let's see if we can use this one. Let's get into Photoshop. I found the old Call of Duty fonts and typed Call of Duty and arranged it in an order like the usual design, and found this logo, thinking it might actually come in handy, but it did. I typed Soviet and used this badge as the O for this one, but it still seemed a little bit empty. For a while I've been obsessed with Suicide Squad Kill the Justice League, so I took the idea and added it to this title. Here is what I ended up with. Now let's get to the next step. Now the characters. So I watched the new trailer for Henry Cavill's new movie, The Ministry of Ungentlemanly Warfare. He looks incredible in that movie, so let's see if we can use the characters from that movie and put them into what we are trying to create.
For this one, I found images that made them look exactly like soldiers. But for Henry, I just placed his face on this one.
And here's my lineup.
They really look like actual soldiers, especially Henry.
Now let's start the main edit.
Since it's Russia, I really wanted a snowy background, but I can't use this one, so I had to create mine with rocks, mountains, and a very nice cloudy sky. And I had to add the Russian monument and blend it all in there. I also added the characters and added shadows and highlights. I added a plane to match that era and also to cover the empty spaces in the edit, and also duplicated it. On the other side, I added the armored tank, a plane, and explosion to add a little bit still felt like something was missing in this edit, but after spending so much time on it, I came up with this.
But we are not done. Now for the box. So I placed the final edit and moved it to the side and finally added the title, and it looked incredible. But since in this one, if it actually exists, there will be a lot of killing and a lot of shooting, so I put this 18 restriction thing, and I cannot add any other logo because I did it. It's no partnership with any other thing before I get sued for adding any other logo into that, and I really don't have the money and the time for that. And here's the final rendering. I would love to make something else, and that's up to you. What's your favorite video game? Let me create my own unique poster design for it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Drop a comment down below what you guys want me to do next. Like and subscribe to the video if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next. I forgot. On to my favorite Instagram post for the week.
This is an absolute masterpiece. I love the color grading and the expression on the guy's face. It looks so incredible, and it was done by Roscoe Adrian. All his vlogs are crazy. Like, check this one out. It's absolutely incredible. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.